Hello, my name is Anna Maggie and I want to take you through all my fall lipsticks. I have minimal makeup and sort of neutral everything else so that all the lips will be highlighted here. In the fall, I still carry a little bit of tan, but not too much. So let's go ahead and see what lipsticks look best on me now. First one I'm going to do to you is this one is my year-round favorite. This is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. This is my favorite for the whole year. So let's put it on. With this one, it doesn't matter my tan level. It doesn't matter my eye or makeup look at all. And I love the plumping. So it does feel like a little stingy. I love this one and it's super inexpensive. All right, so I started off with that one so that my lips stayed a little bit plump throughout. So that's a trick if you don't want to wear a gloss, but you want the glossy effect or the lip plumping effect. Put it on, leave it on a couple minutes, and then switch it out for your real lipstick. That's what I do at times as well. So it does plump up the lips. So the second, I'm going in order of like nude down. So this is my favorite, one of my favorite nudes, sort of like an everyday nude. This is Rouge The Loop Shine in number 123. It does have some shine in it, some little glitter specks. If I'm just going somewhere, I'll throw this on my lips. This stays in my bag year round as well. And I love this one as a nude. So when we're talking nudes, I also really like this Butter Gloss formula from NYX. It is just an all-time favorite as well. I probably should have put it before this last one. This is in Creme Brulee, and it's a good year-round formula as well. I got a smaller version for now. Is a nice everyday nude as well. Super inexpensive. NYX butter glosses are amazing, and this is a really nice shiny, more like a gloss, like a milky gloss. So this is my other favorite nude. It's a little bit lighter, so I really wear this one for like a glam or a night out. This is the Dose of Colors, the Desi by Katie collaboration. And yeah, it's in the shade No Shade. So it's like a dramatic nude. So as I said, with this one, I would put on a lot more like blush and a lot more makeup or like a smoky eye. This one is not going to be like a daytime use. Like I said, this is a lot more glam, but it is one of my favorite nudes for fall and maybe summer. Maybe that's it, summer and fall, because I'm a lot more tan in those months, and this, you know, you really can't wear this if you're a lot lighter than I would say than me now. All right, I'm gonna give my lips a break. I'm gonna use this gloss on there for now. It is tinted. So for an everyday gloss or everyday, like just like a lip balm, this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. This is in the shade Rosé. Just to give your lips a break, I'm gonna do this and wait a little bit because my lips are feeling some sting from all this reapplying. All right, so the next one, I recently got it and it is a favorite already. It is the Jason Wu. So this is a all-purpose lipstick and blush and everything else kind of thing. I'm not gonna use it for anything else but the lipstick, but it's in the shade Apple Pie and HF04 Apple Pie. It's really pretty. It's one of those spicy shades that you need, I feel like. Super duper fall color. I really like it, and I love that it's matte. It goes on so soft, and I love this packaging. This is a winner for me, and I recently got it and I love it. All right, so another range of shades. Those were all kind of spicy nude colors. Another range of shades that I really like is berries. I really enjoy berries in the fall, and you know, sometimes it gets deep. So the first one that I want to share with you is my favorite. This is the Milani 120 Fantasy. They recently came out with these, and these are such a good formulation, but they also sell out really quickly. So get your hands on them. This is as red as I'm gonna get in the fall. like a berry deep stained red or wine stained lips. And this is perfect for that. I really, really love this color and formulation. So it does leave a little bit of a stain on the lips, but that's okay because we're going into berries. The next one that I like is this one. If you want to walk into the berry family, but you don't, it's a little bit too much for you, it's a little too scary for you, this is a good start, even though it is a little pricey, but it's nice luxury start. It is the Rouge The Loop Shine in the 48. It is a nice berry shade. These are shines though, so it's not going to be very deep. So there's this one, and it's just now, you know, getting into that, like, you know, you drink wine all night and your lips are kind of stained by it. That's this one here. And oh my gosh, the formulation is so nice. All right, so now we want to go a little bit more berry, but a little bit, yeah, like instead of wine, more berry. And that's this other shade that I have here. It is MAC Girl About Town. And it looks like that. It is more berry than anything. So it does have some pink in there. So that is the MAC Girl About Town. Again, another favorite for fall if you want those berry pink lips. All right, moving on into the berry family. I have this one by Profusion. It is in Matte Fierce. These came out at Walmart a couple years ago. This one I really do like. I like the formulation. It's matte, super duper lightweight. I really like this color for fall, and when I wear it, I completely forget that I have it on the lips. It's like untraceable. All right, my lips are pretty stained right now and a little bit stinging because switching out to 15 lipsticks, it, you know, does hurt the lips. But the next one doesn't matter anyway because it's a deep, deep cranberry color. This is MAC Rebel. My lips are not keeping color on very well because they're just in pain, but this is such a nice, you know, fall wine deep color, a deep vampy shade. So that is, for me, as kind of as dark as I'll go with the lip. I don't like to go any darker than this, but there is another two. They're more brown that I want to show you. Again, my lips are stained. It's totally fine. The first one I want to show you is this Buxom one. It is called Plump Lip Liner. It's in Stakeout. So one has this giant pencil liner. I actually do use this as a lipstick. It's like a plumping lipstick. It's kind of weird. And the other side has a brush. This is this one here. Supposedly it's plumping. It's so strange the way it like says that it is, but I'll give it a bit and come back in a bit. Personally, I'm very rarely in the mood for this, but I'm kind of feeling it right now. What do you think? Let me know. Do you go this dark? This is a fun contender as well. This is the NYX Shine Loud in Charge. It's a lip color and a shine. It's in the color, I guess it's in the Shine Loud. That's the shade. This is a nice contender as well. I'll try it on. Okay, I'm back. I took a full-on break. I ate, and now I'm gonna put this one on for you. I like this one, but when it dries, it does get a little patchy. So when you try to do that, gloss time. This one, if you want the, you know, the berry or wine lips, but you want them a little bit glossier. Okay, so this one is a stain. So I probably should have put on this next color that I'm gonna put on for you before this one. I forgot that this was a stain. It actually doesn't say anywhere that it's a stain. So anyway, the other color I was gonna share with you is this one by Lipstick Queen. It is in the shade, I actually can't see, something chestnut. It's a brown. It's rich and pigment enough to cover completely the other color. And so this is your kind of like thinking outside the box to try a brown shade. I took that color off. I still have the wine stain under. Last thing I'm going to do is just put on a clear gloss. This is Winky Lux in, I don't know, clear with gold flecks in it. It's got a little bit of pink on there. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.